Oh, welcome back, guys. Steve, Almetal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope. It's great. It takes the place of the flex hose behind your dryer back straight into it. Bing, bang, boom. So, I don't know. Some of you guys may remember this backyard. So, this is the yard that really put my YouTube channel on the map, I guess you'd say. It's my first video over 1 million views. I'll leave a link in the description. But I was here in late July of 24. So I had to get a new phone too, guys. New phones are absolutely ridiculous in cost. Doesn't matter. Let's do this. Yeah, so here's a better look at the yard. Last time I was here, this stuff blew from there, from the vent up there, all the way out here. So, we're gonna get up there, but I can already tell you it's better. Heck, look at it. So let's take an airflow reading. All right, still getting used to this new phone, guys. Don't jump on me too bad. All right, making you pull them out. Whew. All right, well, definitely more than I thought. All right, so I just hit the elbow. Yep, so there's the elbow. All right, guys, if you can, hit that like button for me. Now, I lost a little bit of footage on this, but just like in a lot of dryer vent clean outs, after I run the brush through, then I go and I put an electric, not gas, an electric powered leaf blower into the vent. Push some high powered air through it. That way it pushes everything out of there. So if you can, hit the like button, guys. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Share it, hype it, however you can, man. Anything you guys can do. My views have been down lately. And I understand it's been Christmas. Everybody's got better things to do. I don't blame them. I've had better things to do. So let's get on with this. That is a clean vent to me. Yeah. So again, guys, I'll have the previous video linked in the description below. This is not nearly as bad. All right, feet per minute. And yeah, right, 61 degrees out here. Something like that. Oh, got a little straggler right there. Gotta get you out. Let's see what we're working with. Not too bad, boys and girls. So, time to, I'm gonna try to get this up, but heck, nothing like before. Oh. Last but not least, we got to put these back in. So, hang on. You see how they wind up cupping over time? See that? Stinks, man. And I just put these in a year ago. But we'll put that on the bottom. So if you just make a U, they go in the little holes. Boom. There you go. Man. Yes, sir. I grabbed you. Whatever that meant. All right, guys, that's going to wrap this one up. Steve, Almetal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope, guys. It's great. You guys have been checking it out. Far exceeded my expectations for 2025. Hoping to build on that in 2026. So, tremendous improvement. The link to the first time I cleaned that dryer vent 12 months ago will be in the description below. Until next time, appreciate each and every one of you guys. Happy New Year.